Arts is the way of expressing emotions in a non-generic way. This, no doubt, prompted the ingenuity and the life of Professor Uchenna Nwosu, who, despite his many years of successful practice as a medical doctor, used his time of leisure to venture into the world of arts, an age-long dream resulting to the establishment of Odenigbo Art Gallery.
I want people to understand that if a child wants to be an artist and that is his calling, he should pursue it. And to remind them that artwork is probably one of the fastest and most rewarding investment that people can make today.
The gallery housed some paintings of a founder and chief medical director, Apex Medical Center Igboukwu, Dr. Uchenna Nwosu, some books written by him and some by Igboukwu authors, including the reproduction of Igboukwu excavations.
Igboukwu should play a large part as a center of tourism in Igbo land. And if you come to Igboukwu, you need to see things. One of them should be Igboukwu Odenigbo Gallery in Igboukwu, which will show not only paintings, sculptures, but also books written about Igboukwu by Igboukwu people.
Originals of a late Simon Okeke's watercolor paintings were also on display, including that of a daughter, Lady Obegelia Zeife, an artist of great repute, who is following the footsteps of her father like a chip of an old block.
Odenigbo, Professor Uchenna Nwosu, is a very giant step that he has taken today to bring up this project, Odenigbo Gallery. I'm so happy because as an artist, and if you talk about the Igbo archeological discoveries, these are the kind of projects that people, tourists, will expect to see in an archeological town like Igboukwu.
For many, the gallery is a milestone in Igboukwu community and in the Igbo in general, as they explore the values and creativity that go with the work of arts.
So from what I have seen here today, I believe we have one of the greatest artists in Nigeria from Igboukwu. That's Professor Nwosu and our sister Obi Ezife. All they need is encouragement. We need government to remember artists in Nigeria.
I think we are developing as a society. We are beginning to appreciate nature. We are beginning to appreciate the gift of art.
High points were remarks and goodwill donations. From Igboukwu, Ngozi Okafor, NTA News.